Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking. In this video, we are going to examine insert feature number 14, Table of Contents, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. I need to explain an important aspect of the Table of Contents feature before using it in this video. Google generates a table of contents based on text style. The text that is selected for the table of contents is one of the various heading styles. The other styles, such as subtitle, title, or normal text, will not generate a table of contents. With that being explained, let's take a look at this feature. When I hover over Table of Contents, I have two options. The first is to create a table of contents with page numbers. The second is to create one with blue links. When I click on the first option, it appears as so within my Google Doc. The text is black, and there are page numbers on the right-hand side of the page. When I click on the text, I can still use it to go to the various sections of my Google Doc, as can be seen here. This type of table of contents is most useful for when a document is going to be printed. For the other style of table of contents, the one with blue links, this type of text is most useful if the document is going to exist as a digital one. Blue hyperlinks signal to the reader that the text can be clicked on and it can be used to go to various parts of a Google Doc. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.